I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make skillet cornbread. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2 large eggs. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is crucial for achieving a crispy crust. Finally, generously grease a 10-inch cast iron skillet with 2 tablespoons of butter or shortening. Then place it in the preheating oven. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients: 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. With your batter ready, carefully remove the hot skillet from the oven. Pour the cornbread batter directly into the sizzling hot skillet. This step helps create that desirable crispy crust. Return the skillet to the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. Serve your delicious skillet cornbread warm with butter or honey. To elevate your cornbread, consider these pro tips. If you prefer a sweeter taste, simply add an extra 2 tablespoons of sugar to your dry ingredients. For a savory variation, fold in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese or even some cooked, crumbled bacon into the batter before baking. These additions can truly transform your cornbread experience. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your homemade skillet cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.